Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, NYSE Einstein, from the floor of the stock exchange. December 6th, that's kind of where I'm feeling it. Market is some red. There is some red. We're still at 24.1. 24.1, 24.2. Market down. Dow Jones Industrial Average down 40 points. Russell off 8. Spiders off a little. We do have 3 days in a row where we do have a bit of a red market and we do have a down market, but it's still not that significant. Today, I would say with some consolidation, some rotation. FANG stocks were up. The Dow was down. A lot of movement around. Some big imbalances were coming. We're in December. There are people closing out positions. There is money rotating out of tech, out of the selling the outperformers, buying the underperformers. There are people marking up positions or marking down positions, depending on which one. But net, we've had a year that's up 5,500 points. To posture yourself as a fund or an institution at this point is probably a really, really difficult thing. It's out of my wheelhouse, but I can only imagine. You've got huge positions. There are people who have been on the sidelines the whole time, people waiting for the sell-off, people who are short, people who are hurting in that way, people who are long, investors in this market up huge, right? We've got 20 and 30-point rallies here in so many of the FANG stocks, in some of the Dow stocks, in the S&P itself, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average up 5,500 points in this year of 2017. So a market that is a little more red than green, that's 40 points off on the Dow, 8 in the Russell, and odd lot in the Spiders is not that significant. Okay, I think we have to look at the potential for anxiety, whatever's going on with the president and with the Middle East, with the president and Russia, with the president and his administration, with whatever's going on with sexual harassment around the world, what's going on with, biblical proportion disasters around the world, with all the potential for anxiety, and with a market that's flatlining off the top of a huge rally, we are not seeing any follow through on the sell side. Yesterday's market sell side was significant. I thought there may be some follow through. I talked to you about it after the close. We never saw that today. The market opened, has been basically jitter jatter all day long within a 20 or 30 point range. It's trading with the imbalances, which means that the buy and sell imbalances on the close, which today flipped back and forth a number of times, is definitely moving the market. That's cooperative for me as a trader. For you guys, it's not that interesting. It's a consolidation. It's a pause. Market's trying to set itself up to figure out what to do in the last couple of weeks of the year. December's traditionally been a solid, strong part of the year. Retail sales were good. Amazon, that sector, is in solid footing, net. But you're going to see some days where there's profit taking. Guys lock and load on profits. Okay? You're going to see other guys who've been sitting around wondering where to come in. You're not seeing, and no matter where we sell off on an intraday headline that causes anxiety, whether it's the Flynn thing, whether it's something against Trump, whether it's North Korea, whether it's the tax reform bill or whatnot, the market is finding value really pretty tightly within a range, and the market is not selling off. That's all I can tell you from today. Tomorrow's another day. Hump Day Wednesday, coming into Thursday. Could be the first Thursday in December. I'm looking forward to it. December is a fascinating month. This market is in groundbreaking territory across the board. The world is wild and woolly. NYSE Einstein. Stick with me. Stick with the NYSE. I'll see you tomorrow.